Hey guys, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to color grade an image using Hue Saturation Adjustment Layers. I'm also going to be showing you a quick blend if trick to get the desired look for your image. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So here we are inside of Photoshop, and we have an image here from Signature Edits. It is what looks to be a constellation over the mountains. Beautiful shot, by the way. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go down to our layer adjustments icon and select Hue Saturations. And before I tinker with the adjustment sliders here, I'm going to go ahead and go to Effects, Blending Options, and I'm going to uncheck one of these boxes so that I can focus only on one of these channels. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck the green and the blue and just focus on the reds channel. Hit OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and take our saturation slider and then just start boosting it up. Look at that right there. About 55 probably sounds pretty good right there. And I just want to show you like a comparison, and if I did not use that blend if trick. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. I'm going to go ahead and take the hue saturation, and let's go ahead and boost this up to 55. So here's what it's like without the blend if, and here's what it's like with the blend if. See, this one you can tell that the colors are really bleeding out and it just does not look so natural. But with this result, the colors really come out strong. So let's go ahead and try that again. I'm going to go ahead and add another hue saturation. I'm going to go ahead and go to Effects, Blending Options. And this time I'll go ahead and uncheck red and green and just kind of focus on the blues. Let's go ahead and start boosting the saturation slider up. And I'll probably just keep it around 50. Yeah, that's starting to look really nice there. And then just to kind of top it off, I'm just going to add a little bit of contrast with it by adding a curves adjustment. Alright, so that's just a quick demonstration on how you can take a raw photo and then color grade it to get the colors to really stand out. So here's the before and there's the after. Thank you so much everybody for tuning in. If you like this tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content.